Hello everybody, welcome to my get together. My name is Aleka and today I have a fun and exciting video for you. It is all about the Super Bowl today in our house. We love the Eagles, but they're not in it this year and that's okay. I'm going to share some fun, easy, that's the operative word, easy, festive Super Bowl ideas that you can do at home if you are throwing a Super Bowl party or a pregame or watch party tailgate. And all of the items can be either made at home or purchased off of Amazon or Party City. So they're easy to get and they're relatively inexpensive, and you can pick and choose what you like for your setup and what meets your budget. So let's go and check out what I did. Okay, so here are some fun ideas. The first thing that is super easy to do is to get regular water bottles and take off the label and print out some of these really unique stickers, you can call them, and you can just adhere them with a little piece of tape in the back. And it's a super easy way to just make water a little bit more Super Bowl friendly or football friendly. I will have a copy or a PDF of this on my blog so that you guys can print out your own little labels, and you can go and check that out at the link below. Here's another option. You can get some cool festive straws to serve with any drinks that you're serving. I did general green, yellow, and black colors because we're not really celebrating any special team this year, but this could be altered according to what team you're rooting for. So if you're rooting for the Rams, you can go with blue and yellow straws, or if you're an Eagles fan, you can stick with green or whatever it is. Go with the color theme of your favorite team. Here are some fun napkins that you can purchase off of Amazon. That's where I got these. This awesome AstroTurf cloth or material that I got on Amazon was so inexpensive. It dazzles up any table. So if you're putting this in your kitchen island or your dining room table, it just really kind of makes you think right away of football, and it's fun. And you can even add white tape to mimic the lines on the football field, kind of like this. Some other ideas is purchasing these cute little mini paper brown bags. Get some electrical tape, any type of white tape, whatever you have, and make cute little football laces on the bags. You can even put names or numbers on there. And it's just a cute way to kind of grab and go as people are watching the game. They grab a little bag of popcorn and they can snack and come back and get some more. These football tubs I also got from Amazon, and I'll link to those below. They're great for just serving lots of snack foods like popcorn and pretzels or chips. I made this awesome field goal out of some yellow straws that I had in my pantry. They're actually smoothie straws, so they're thicker straws. And I just took some hot glue and glued them together to make a cute little field goal post. Next, I have this awesome centerpiece. It's just a large blackboard that I got from my local hardware or Ace, or I don't know if you guys have a Michael's near you. It's like a craft store. Check out those. You can get them also on Amazon. They have so many blackboard sizes on there. And you can write some cool, sayings, touchdown, let's go, anything that has to do with football. And you just get a little white, what is it called? Like a marker pen that they have off Amazon. And you can go crazy with it, and it just wipes right off, which is really cool. I put a little play. You can put the Philly special in there if you're a Philly fan or whatever, but it's just really, it kind of adds a cool touch. It's like the focal point on the table, which I think is really important. The next thing I'm going to talk about are these cool little koozies off of Amazon again. If you're outside, inside, it doesn't matter. I just think they're really cool to have for beer or any type of drink that you're serving, sodas. It's a really cute touch. I also made this awesome concession stand sign. All you need to do is go to the link below and print this out, place it in a super cheap frame. It could be like a dollar store frame or whatever, and place it on your table, and it's a great way to dazzle up, tell people, go to the concession stand if you're hungry. It's just right over there. These signs are also really cool. You can put these in front of the food and put cookies or anything you want, just so that people know what you're serving. I'm a huge sign fan. Let's see over here. So you can put in a water cooler some Powerade or whatever you want that's kid-friendly, adult-friendly, whatever you want in a cooler, and you can call it a water station, a cooler, whatever you prefer. I bought these brown plastic cups from Amazon, and I took the same marker that I used for this board, and I made cute little football laces on the cups, so they're little football cups. And if you want, you can put a number on the back too of your quarterback or whoever your favorite player is, or even put somebody's name on it so that you don't forget whose cup is who, because that happens all the time. It's an awesome idea. I've seen all over the internet. I can't take credit for this, but these are cute little Penalty flag napkins. So all you do is take some candy. So I got some, I can show you what's inside, little chocolate football candies that I also got off of Amazon. Throw a couple in there, grab a rubber band, tie the bottom, and they can serve a dual purpose, either a napkin or maybe you can throw them at a family member if they get out of hand this Super Bowl, because that's what they're here for, right? So now we're gonna go on to the food. This is all about ease, right? If we're having people over our house and you're gonna put the time into decorating a whole table, we want to be on the couch by the time kickoff starts. So this is some really easy ideas. Most of these are less than 3-4 ingredients. So first thing, cookies. I picked out my favorite cookie brand, refrigerated cookie dough, guys. Put it in the oven, and once they come out, when they're still hot, add your team color M&Ms into the cookies, and then you have fun, festive team color cookies that are just 2 ingredients if you count the M&Ms in it as an ingredient. These are 2 ingredients. They're corn muffin mix and hot dogs. They're kind of like a take on a corn dog, but in a little muffin cup. You can serve them with ketchup, and they're super easy, and kids love them. This is also 2 ingredients, and you're like, what do you mean 2 ingredients, Aleka? Well, this dip inside was store-bought, yes. I'm not afraid to say that I buy store-bought dips all the time, and this is a spinach dip that I got from my local food store. I took those King's Hawaiian rolls, which I love. I cut out the middle, and I just scooped a little bit of the dip inside. Now when my guests come over, they can take it, rip off a little piece, dip it, and snack. And it's such a great idea for entertaining and people that don't really want to all dip in the same bowl, right? The next idea here is, again, this is 3 ingredients. It is my easy frozen meatballs. They're cocktail meatballs that I bought from the store. And then I added crushed pineapples, and Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You can pick any flavor that you like. And I add a can of crushed pineapple for some sweetness. Mix it all together. It is such a tasty little snack that everybody always loves. Let's go up here to the desserts. So all I did was, again, went to the store, purchased mini brownies in the plastic containers that most grocery stores have, mini Rice Krispie treats, and I took a gel pen, which you can find in the baking section, and just draw little laces onto them. An easy, quick way to make it football festive, and your kids would love helping with that too. Okay, let's go over here to my buffalo chicken little pinwheels. This, again, is super easy. A couple more ingredients. My quick way to make these is to purchase a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store. Usually they have those big rotisserie chickens already made. Take it off the bone and toss it in a food processor with some cream cheese, some hot sauce, I put a little bit of honey or brown sugar in it, some scallions, and you can mix it all up together and lay on a big tortilla and roll it up and cut it up. And you can serve it with blue cheese or ranch. And I love that they don't need to be served hot, so they can sit out for a little bit as the game goes on. And then finally, you guys can finish off with fun snacks like peanuts and popcorn and pretzels. Those are usually the go-tos when it comes to tailgating and sports. There are no rules when it comes to entertaining. Do what's easy for you, do what's budget friendly, and remember, a little bit of effort like this goes a long way. And if you're gonna do this, don't worry about buying store-bought stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my fun Super Bowl football ideas for this year's Super Bowl, or whatever big game you're preparing to entertain for. If you guys liked this video and want more entertaining tips like this, hit that subscribe button below and like this video, and you will get more tips and tricks for entertaining at home with less stress. Go team!